Meaning of diversity.
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 Diversity. Diversity refers to the range of differences that exist among people, cultures, and ideas. It encompasses factors such as race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, religion, and socioeconomic status, as well as differences in opinions, backgrounds, and experiences. When organizations embrace diversity, they are better able to tap into a wider pool of talent and perspectives, leading to improved creativity, innovation, and problem solving. Ultimately, a diverse workforce can result in greater productivity and profitability, as well as a more inclusive and equitable workplace culture.